All right, you guys, let's do a review of this wagon I got 9 years ago. Yes, I said it right. We got this wagon 9 years ago, and it has gone everywhere with us. Very good quality, very sturdy. I would definitely highly recommend this wagon if you're looking into getting a wagon. So a few of the things that I love about it is it's very, very big. It carries a lot of stuff. You could even carry 2 children in here if you wanted to. It folds up. It has this handle that it snaps in, but it also goes up taller if you want it. It has a harder, more solid surface at the bottom, so you could fit 2 children in. I have used this for all sorts of events. My kids love sports. We have used this to carry all the sports equipment. We've coached sports. We've taken this on a vacation with us to California, to the beach. It does have a little bit of harder time in the sand if you go into deep sand, but what we did is one of us just kind of carried this part and this part over those hard parts. We've taken this into the mountains, to the lake, anywhere we've had to carry a whole bunch of stuff that we just pile in here and carry. The wheels are really nice. They're not like that fake plastic stuff. They do feel like they have a rubber to them. They're still in really good condition after 9 years of use, using it very, very often. The material in here is very sturdy. It's a canvas type material, still in really good condition. This is a close-up of it if you want to see it close up after 9 years of use. If you want to fold it up, you will just pull up in the middle like this, and you'll fold it together like this. It has a handle on top, and it has a cover right here that you use, that you just slip over the top like this. And then the handle goes through so you can carry it like this. It also has some snaps on both sides that keep the cover on like that. So then you're ready to go. It's not super heavy like this. It's pretty light. I mean, I can carry it with no problems. And then when you unfold it, it's just really easy. You just go like that and push down the middle, and it's ready to go. This has been a great, great product. High quality. It lasted obviously a long, long time. I would definitely recommend this wagon to anyone who needs to carry a lot of stuff, or children, or whatever you want to use it for.